friends, today I am making Panipuri. So I have ragda, some potato and sweet chutney and spicy chutney and also onion. If you want to add, you can add it. Now I will poke the puri. Now we will add ragda. This much ragda is enough, but I have to make a larger to fit it. So I add our ragda. So I am adding more ragda. This much. Now I will add sweet chutney. Now spicy chutney. Now I am taking a bite and taste it. This is so yummy. Now we will make other puri. So see, I am poking it. Poke. I poked it. Now I'll add some sweet chutney, spicy chutney, and some potato. Some adding more sweet because it's not so soft. Now I am tasting how it tastes. It's also yummy. आपके मुंह में पानी आ गया क्या? So